Siya pa ito sa may sitiho lapit, ano po ng lupit.
Ito lang sa gubunon ba? Parang ito lang.
At this point, assuming that our forward observer have spotted an enemy camp at San Agustin, Magdum, Tagum City, Davao del Norte, where the terrorists are busy with their daily activities. Then, the FO will give location that will give call for fire.
EPO, this is FDC. Adjust fire. Polar. Out.
Ipo-ipo.
EPO location. Group Charlie. 10500 21500. Enemy direction 1850 miles. Distance 600 meters. Out.
Six.
The FDC then authenticates the forward observer.
I authenticate Alpha Foxtrot. Over.
The radio operator received the call and record the given description from the forward observers. Then, he passes the raw information to the Chief FDC for interpretation, after which the FDC processes the data into firing data. The Chief FDC will then announce for fire for commands to the firing platoon.
Fire mission. Section adjust. Gun number 1. Section 1 round. Section 1 round.